welcome back to my channel. My name is Akansha and you're watching my channel Absolutely AK. So guys, it's been really long, almost 3 months that I've not done any video on my favorites, and I really thought that I want to make a video on my favorites. So I started accumulating all the things that I have been liking in these 3 months, that's June, July and August, and I can't wait to share what is it that I have loved during all of these 3 months. So if you're new to my channel, why don't you just take some time off and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified for a video every time I upload one. So moving directly to my favorites for June, July and August, the first thing that comes to my mind is my mini washing machine. Now, for everyone who's either a student staying in a hostel, or someone who's just got newly married, or any of my girlfriends who are dealing or struggling with washing their clothes, whether it's their undergarments or whether it is, their soft, dainty, nice night suits, or, those very, soft material tops or trousers, or something that you don't want to give it for dry cleaning, but at the same time you do not want to put them into your washing machine. I think this product that I've got from Amazon is the best thing on earth. It's a lifesaver, and also more so because of the lockdown. We are struggling with washing our clothes on our own, and then of course drying them, and with the monsoons it's so difficult to dry them up also. So this washing machine comes really handy with respect to washing, rinsing as well as spinning and drying. So let me show you how it works.
This is the DMR mini washing machine. With the help of a water outlet, fill water and add your detergent or washing powder. Give it a mix. Add your clothes and they are all set to be washed. You could adjust the regulators at the top to wash, spin or drain with a timer, of course. Let the soap water drain out and you're all set to spin and dry. Attach the spinning basket onto the machine, add the wet clothes to it, close it with the plastic lid and you're done. This process helps your clothes to get rid of any excess soap and excess water. Here's my dancing machine.
So this second product that's on my list, that again it is related to clothes. Also it's because I was struggling with one of the things that I had in mind, and that is this. It's this. Let me show it to you all here. It's this. Okay. Now basically what's this? This is laundry mesh bags. Okay, so again it's available on Amazon, and I'm going to put the link to it in the description box so you can find it there. What this does is that basically it comes in various sizes. So I have two to show you, the ones that I've opened. One is this is basically for washing your bras. So generally when we tend to put in our wired bras into a washing machine or something of that sort, they kind of get twisted, they kind of get torn here and there. So the best thing that you can do is, in spite of having the wired bras, you can put them in these mesh bags and then wash it, so that it really helps you. So they don't get entangled with other clothes, they do not get twisted, they do not wear out easily if you're going to put them in these bags. So this is definitely something that's coming very handy to me these days. Also it comes with some around 4 to 5 sizes or options. So another one that I have to show you all is this one. So I've started using this one also. This is generally for my tops, the tops that I really like a lot, and I don't want them to be washed with the other clothes, or I don't want them to get entangled, like something with a nice embroidery or something which is like an off shoulder. So you can put them in these, wash them along with the other clothes, but still not have them twisted and turned and like worn out. So this is also another option. Another way you can use these is for traveling. So generally when we go for long trips, we tend to have a lot of clothes which we've worn, but we don't want to keep it with the clothes that are not worn. So you can compartmentalize and you can segregate your clothes as to what is washed and neat and what is not washed and not neat. So this also comes very handy. Comes in different sizes. You can use it the way you want, whether it is for washing, whether it is for storing, and I think this is an amazing product. So I'll definitely leave the link in the description box and you can check it out for yourself. Alright, the next thing is basically an edible product. Okay, it's something that I have been munching on these days, and that is this, the Cadbury Oreo biscuits. So it's basically your Oreo biscuits dipped into Cadbury sauce or Cadbury chocolate sauce, and it is amazing. So it'll give you a feel of basically like a choco pie, what we used to have or we generally use in gifts and all. So it's like a choco pie, but it is with your favorite ingredient, that is Oreo biscuits. So I think this is a real cool purchase, also something that you all can definitely try, because
right after your meal you just are always craving for something sweet. So bring in the sweetness. Also, if you're liking this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the like button. And yeah. So the next product that I have is actually a face wash, which I don't know where I have kept.
So the next product that we have is a face wash. So now this face wash, me and my husband we've very recently started using it, and it is amazing. Okay guys, this is like so nice that we've got another bottle of it, and again it's almost over. So this is the Bioderma Sabium I don't know how to even say that, purifying and cleansing foaming gel. Okay, and it is very soft on your skin. I was generally not a person who used to use a lot of face wash because it makes my skin really dry, but after using this I am so comfortable with my skin, so comfortable. It cleanses properly and it makes you feel so nice and fresh. So again, you can try this out, and I will definitely put the link in the description box for you all to get it. Because it's Bioderma, I can tell you it is something that all dermatologists will recommend, and also it's very safe to use. So that's my next favorite product.
After this, I have another favorite product, which is a little, I'm not going to call it high-end, but yeah, it is kind of expensive, and that is this bag. It's from Victoria's Secrets, and I love this color. Isn't it so cute?
Okay, so this was love at first sight. I saw this bag and I was like, wow, I need to get this. Also, not just because of looks, also because it is so huge. Can you all see? It's so huge. It still has some of my stuff. Yeah, so having said that, this is really good for, if you're traveling or if you're going out and you want to just pack up for like 1 or 2 days and you don't want to carry a heavy duty bag, you can carry this. If not that, then you can also just carry it for a girl's outing or anyone who's in love with like big bags. This is your bag. So definitely you can try it out. I don't think I'll be able to give you a link in the description box because this is something that I picked on the airport, but I've very recently started using it because I carried it to my for my birthday when we went to St. Regis. Again, I'll tag the video, you can check it out there. And otherwise also, wherever I travel, I try taking this bag because it accommodates literally my world. Okay, so the next thing that's been my favorite during these months is this show. It's a Netflix show, and it's about tidying up. Okay, it's about organizing, and it is called Tidying Up with Marie Kondo. So here's a picture so that you can see what it looks like, as in the thumbnail, what it looks like on Netflix. Show is basically about organizing your closet, organizing your books, organizing your office papers, organizing your kitchen, organizing your dining and living room. It's everything that you want to see. It's so handy, so handy. If you're going to watch this video, I am so sure it'll bring so much value to you. And I always try giving a review to anything that helps me or makes me feel like, you know, this is going to help someone. So this is definitely going to help you organize, clean, as well as declutter. Okay, so it has some important and very nice messages which I am of course going to share with you all even in my coming videos, and I am also going to do a whole altogether another video on this particular topic very soon. So I hope this you know, gives you a nice chance to learn something, and that's it. These were all the favorite things that I liked during June, July and August, and looking forward to doing another video on my favorites very soon. Till then, if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified for a video every time I upload one.